Hey there, affiliate marketer. We know the struggle. Find quality products, build trust with audiences, and converting clicks into commissions, it can be a grind. But what if there was a program that made things easier and more rewarding? Introducing Magnfi's Premier Affiliate Program, designed to supercharge your income and streamline your marketing efforts. Tired of low commissions that barely cover your coffee? With Magnfi, you're going to unlock some of the highest payouts in the industry. First off, lifetime Magnfi Plus commission. Refer someone and earn a steady 30% commission for as long as they stay subscribed. That's passive income on autopilot. Next, Magnfi Plus annual bonus. If your customer paid annually, guess what? You'll get a lucrative 20% commission upfront, a significant boost to your bottom line. Next, Magnfi Premium. Magnfi Premium commissions are some of the highest in the industry. Refer someone to Magnfi Premium. You worried about lost clicks? Guess what? Our generous 90-day tracking cookie ensures you'll get credit even if someone signs up later. Plus, you'll get your commissions within a fast 30 days. Next is our white label program. It's unique and specifically built for businesses that want to have their own in-house scalable video service offering. Refer that over if they signed up for every white label subscription you prefer and sign up. Magnfi Premier Affiliate Program has the highest commissions. Stop chasing pennies and start earning real money. Long tracking. You'll never lose credit for referral again. Fast payouts. Get your commission quickly and keep the cash flow rolling in. And there's that white label advantage that digital marketing agencies love. You ready to ditch the affiliate struggle and start earning the highest commissions in the industry? Head over to Magnfi, click that link, and sign up and become a part of the Magnfi Premier Affiliate Program today. It's free to sign up, and it puts control of your financial future in your hands. Don't wait. Join today with Magnfi, and you'll start earning what you deserve.